Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, today is USDA crop report day. It's about the second most important report of the year from the USDA. It gives us our first look at 2016 and 17 U.S. and world supply and demand. From here, we'll see how much changes will be made from these numbers based on South American weather and if it increased demand for U.S. beans and meal, China policies on their reserves, and also whether their economy has bottomed or not, and U.S. summer weather. First thing we'll be looking at is the carryouts for 16 and 17. Average corn carryout number is around 2.3 billion, which would be bearish. Beans, 405. There's some people that are actually using numbers below 300 million bushels. So initial reaction could be bearish, but then down the road, if we start bringing that carryout down, it could be bullish. Right now, soybeans are up 8 cents because CONAB lowered their soybean crop to 97 million metric tons from 100. They lowered their corn crop to 80 million tons from 84. And there's still some thoughts that the Argentina soybean crop will be lower than what the USDA's estimates. So that's the second thing we'll be looking at. What do they do with the South American numbers? And because of that change, do they change U.S. demand numbers? Third thing we'll be looking at is the winter wheat numbers. Average guess is 1370 million bushels. The range is 1,200 to 1,500. So big range there. It should be on the higher side of the numbers, and it should be bearish. We'll also be looking at the wheat carryout for next year. Could be over 1 billion bushels, which also should be bearish to the wheat. Finally, we'll be looking at some of the numbers like China corn stocks. They say they have 225 million tons. The government says they have 109. That's a big difference, and a big difference for the corn market. And we'll be seeing what they say for 16 and 17 China's soybean imports. Some people think they'll kind of slow their pace. Other people think they'll continue to take about 6 million tons more a year. So the combination of those could help U.S. soybean demand and lower the carryout. So at 11 o'clock, the numbers come out. The market will react to it. We'll put another video out to show what the reaction is to the marketplace, and then we'll just move forward. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.